for this show car, the customized M2 features a few more upgrades beyond the wild body kit and wider wheels. A 300-cell catalytic converter and Remus catback exhaust give the inline-six engine a meaner sound. There's also a set of coilovers from the firm Lowtec. Inside, there's extra carbon fiber trim. The steering wheel has Alcantara upholstery and an integrated race display. In stock form, the M2 features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six with 365 horsepower, 272 kilowatts, and 343 pound-feet, 465 newton-meters, of torque. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual or a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. Customers wanting more power can now opt for the M2 competition that produces 405 horsepower, 302 kilowatts, and 406 pound-feet, 551 newton-meters.